Yo, what's up squad? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Dylan. This summer weather though, I'm loving it, man. I'm just enjoying it. It's nice and bright, breezy. But yeah, it's been a while. Today we got some work to do. I'm gonna hit you guys with an update on what's going on with the FA5 and stuff like that. Right now I'm at the homie's house. We're just gonna be kicking it. We're gonna be doing some work. We'll see what we'll get into. But yeah, let's start with the update. Alright, so my apologies for the lack of uploads actually. You know, the boy's just been working every day. I'm also in school, so that's been the priority. My bad. So that's been the priority. But we got lots of work to do. I want to get back into this upload schedule, start uploading more often, and yeah, just get some content out there. So we're always working over here. So here is the FA5. I know you guys seen it in the last video, but I didn't really talk about it. But ever since we put on the wheels, we did lower the car in the front. So this is lowered a bit just to match the back. Yeah, it looks pretty good. Just needs some, I think it needs some camber. Lowered this side as well, but this side I think it needs to go a little bit lower, so we're gonna make a few more adjustments. But yeah, fitment is looking really good. So in terms of what's next for the FA5, I am in the market for a rear camber kit. That way I can go in and get an alignment. I like the way the back camber is. I want the fronts to also match that. You can see it's kind of like positive, and the back is like has that natural negative. So I want it to be like that. And also we have a mod. I already have a mod. I picked up a mod for this car. You'll find out real soon. So yeah, this car is gonna get a little bit of a refresh, just to enhance the aesthetics a little bit for the summer. I got some ideas, of course. But yeah, you guys will see. The car's pretty much good. In terms of header, that's the last thing I want to do because that's gonna cost the most. So to get a header, the header I'm looking at is going for $650, and I'm gonna need a rear motor mount, so that's like $130. So we're looking at $780. I'm gonna have to get it installed. That's gonna be $100. So that's $880. Then this car is gonna need a retune, so that's another $500. So the header I'm gonna hold up on. I still do want to do it, but that's gonna be the last priority over here. Alright, so that's the update on the FA5. But we are at the homie's house, so let's get to work. Let's see what we're gonna get into. Love seeing this FB6, and look at the new project. Top down?
Yes, sir.
Loud. So we're gonna be pulling out the Miata. It's actually a nice day today.
Always good.
Say your word. Smells it here though.
Smells like fucking gas.
Ooh, that's up to stall, eh?
Yeah, yo, there's no more pressure on this.
On the pedal, eh?
It's soft as shit. Like, I'm surprised if the car can't even go to gear.
When was the last time you drove it?
Yeah, you know, she's still got gas in her though. Pretty sure you can jack it from here.
Yep. Should work.
Should work.
You can't really see it. Forgot to mention, this car has those rails, R-Theory rails. You can see that there, more stiffness.
Why is it making that sound?
So with a new chassis, you gotta learn the finesse. You gotta research the car. You know?
Facts. Why is it fucking big that
Creaking?
Yo, it's bummy.
So we are trying to do some work to the Miata. Obviously when you get a car, you have to do just the basic maintenance to like get it to your standards. But the problem with this car is the clutch. the pedal, the slave is like leaking, or the master. So we're trying to figure it out. Doing some work.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Fuck. Do you know how you're coming right now?
Huh? Yeah, so we're gonna empty this.
This guy.
Yo,
Not everything goes as planned.
it always happens like this. Eh?
I know.
It's so shit.
You never know until you try though.
Yeah, exactly. But at
That's
least now
jokes.
we know. This is what happens
That's jokes, man.
when you try to be a mechanic. My face is
Raccoon,
mashed up.
raccoon.
My face
I'm
is
talking
mashed.
shit.
My face is mashed up, you know? It is what it is. It's like this one.
So the slave cylinder didn't work out. We had the new part, but it didn't work out. So now we're gonna bleed the clutch. Correct?
Yes, man. Yes.
We're gonna try and bleed the clutch. See if that helps with the pedal, because the pedal feels like squishy. So yeah.
Many, many minutes later.
So we just finished bleeding the clutch. The clutch fluid was low, now it's at its max capacity. And yeah, we're chilling. So you hop in, clutch feels much better. Now it like springs back at you. Yeah, it should be good to go. So yeah, we should be good to go. And these S2000 seats, pretty comfy. Actually pretty comfy, I like them. And look at that roll cage. All I need is a harness. Stay strapped.
It's a beef. Like, I'm trying to wipe my nose.
I know. That's the new meme.
It's a new meme.
Buy a 90s whip, they said.
It'll be fun, they said. Fucking man.
Who is that? That's a ghost though.
Low key, we should just get it done at a garage, you know?
Everything.
Dave's garage it is, boys.
Like it's clean, you know?
Quite low now. I'm gonna take it for a spin.
Why is the shifter so like in it? Been dug in.
That's how it is, like it's old.
Sick, short.
Okay squad, it's a new day, as you can tell. I just pulled out the FA5. Shit's looking clean. Damn bruh. Even though it is dirty, still looking clean. But I said I got a new mod for the FA5. So let's do a little unboxing. I'm gonna show you guys what I picked up. And yeah, let's get started. Alright, so just wait right here for 1 second. I'll be right back. Go grab a snack or something, you know. I'll be right back. Wait. Boom. So this is what I picked up. So let me open it up real quick. Let me put the camera down.
Bruh.
So as you can tell, I picked up some side skirts for the FA5, and you guys are probably wondering which side skirts are these. This is the CTR side skirts, off the replica of the FD2, so Civic Type R. So yep, CTR side skirts. I think this is gonna look fire on the car. I also was looking at the Mugen ones, if you guys are wondering, but I feel like that side skirt is a little bit too bulky, so I went with the CTR. It's a little bit more slim, and if keyword is if I ever go JDM conversion, this is the perfect side skirt to already have on the car. So yeah, so you can tell these are the CTR side skirts when you see that little groove. The FD2 comes with that stock, so it looks nice and slim. Should match well with the car with this front lip. And like the only thing I have Mugen on this car is the rear lip, so the front and the side should all line up. So I'm just gonna put this here for now. And I think this is polyurethane. It's actually pretty light. I'm surprised how light it is. So I won't have to worry about, you know, adding extra weight. But comes with 3M, so you can stick it on. I think it has some hardware. Let me just look for it. Should have some hardware somewhere. Yeah, just over here. This is your hardware to bolt up the brackets on them. Those brackets over there. So yeah, it comes with your hardware. Hopefully the fitment is decent. I don't expect it to fit perfectly because it is a replica, but let's see how it would kind of look like. If you install side skirts, you have to remove that mud guard in the front. But let's just see for a minute. Should look something like this. So just by doing that little test fit, the fitment doesn't look too bad. The 3M, definitely need 3M and it's gonna hold it up. But yeah, like I said, the thing I like about the CTR side skirt is that it's a little bit slimmer, and the Mugen one is, I feel like it's a little bit too bulky. So that was it. That was the latest pickup for the FA5. So be on the lookout for a side skirt install. Should be a simple job. So yeah, we got a lot of work to do this summer. Lots of content on the way. Also be on the lookout for some new merch. I got some t-shirts being made. You guys will see when it comes out. Follow me at highbeams.ca and on Instagram if you want more news about merch and stuff like that. As far as the Miata goes, we got some plans coming up for it. We just have to plan it out and find the stuff that we need. And yeah, FA5, still doing a little bit of work to it. So definitely a lot of content on the way. It's only a matter of time. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hit the like button, subscribe, comment, do what you gotta do. I'll catch you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.